Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain cursor setup in VS Code. We'll dive right into the settings, which you can access by pressing Ctrl-. Here, you'll find numerous options to personalize your editing experience. Understanding these settings is crucial for boosting your productivity and making your coding environment truly yours. We'll explore how different cursor styles and behaviors can significantly impact your workflow, ensuring a comfortable and efficient setup tailored to your preferences. 5. Let's explore single cursor options. You can easily change the visual style using the editor. Cursor style setting. Choose from options like block for a solid rectangle, line for a thin vertical bar, or underline for a subtle indicator. 5, 6, 10. You can also adjust the cursor's blinking behavior, perhaps setting it to smooth for a less distracting animation, or even turning it off entirely to solid. 5, 6. These small adjustments can make a big difference in your visual comfort. 5. Now, let's unlock the power of multi-cursors. You can activate them by holding Alt and clicking in multiple locations, or by pressing Ctrl-D to select the next occurrence of a word. 1, 2, 3, 7. This feature is incredibly useful for making identical changes across several lines simultaneously. 2, 3. Imagine updating a variable name in 10 different places with just a few keystrokes. 2, 3. Mastering multi-cursors can dramatically speed up repetitive editing tasks, saving you valuable time and effort. 2, 3. Finally, we'll touch on advanced settings and compare the flexibility. For instance, the editor. Multi-cursor modifier allows you to choose between Alt or Control for multi-cursor actions, adapting to your preferred workflow. VS Code offers extensive customization, far beyond what many other editors provide. 11. By tailoring your cursor setup, from its appearance to its multi-selection behavior, you can create an incredibly efficient and personalized coding environment that truly enhances your daily development tasks. 11, 14.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.